This video will show you how to connect your printer to a wireless network using the manual connect method. Press the setup button, use the left or button to select Wi-Fi setup and press the OK button. Select manual connect and press the OK button. Select your wireless router and press the OK button. Press the OK button. Enter the password. Text entry is case sensitive. For how to enter characters and how to change the character type, click here. Enter password screen. Text entry is case sensitive. For how to enter characters and how to change the character type, click here. Enter password screen. After entry, press the OK button. Select yes and press the OK button. When the screen on the below appears, press the OK button. The network connection setup is now complete. Ensure your smartphone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Canon Print app. Open App Store. On your smartphone, go to the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Canon Print, type Canon PRINT Inkjet SELPHY in the search bar. Install the app, download and install the app on your smartphone. Open Canon Print app, launch the app once it has been installed. Add printer, tap on the plus icon or select Add printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app should automatically search for printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your Canon MF635CX from the list. Follow prompts. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. You may need to confirm that you want to connect to this printer. Once everything is set up, try printing a test page from the Canon Print app. Select a document or photo and choose the print option.